Good morning, class 4. How are you all doing? So, hope you all are fine, secure, safe, and having fun and studying at the same time, doing everything. Well, okay, today we are back on English, your course book, page 80. The chapter is printing and writing. Like we sometimes what we write we are not able to understand, isn't it? So it's better we print it out. We do printings so that it's clear for us. The blocks, the alphabets are known. Suppose if everything was in writing, we wouldn't have understood, isn't it? If my handwriting is bad, you won't understand it, isn't it? So we try to print it out. We do a typing, we print it out. That's what we do so that it makes it clear. So who did this printing? How did we do this printing? What are the sources of printing? We take block prints, we take it on wood, we write something on the wood, and then we put it on color and we paste it. That's a print. Writing prints, there are alphabets, the typewriter, everything is there. So when we write, we use a pen or a pencil. We make marks that communicate meaning to the person that reads it. Communicate means we make sense to it. A, B, C, D. R-A-T, we write. R-A-T means rat. We try to communicate to that person. When we print something, we can make copies without having to write it out every time. Look at these pictures. Xerox we do. So once we write one thing, and after that if we can print it out, we don't have to write it again. So that's what it says. Printing words works in the same way as making fingerprints or footprints. The first form of printing was done with wooden blocks. Parts of the wood were cut away, leaving the words or pictures erased. They were covered with ink and pressed onto paper. This is how printing began. Cutting these blocks of wood was a slow process. Around the middle of the 15th century, three men called Gutenberg, Fust, and Schoeffer made single letters out of metal. Means out of metal, out of iron or any tin or anything, bronze, whatever, they made metals. They wrote alphabets with the metals. They arranged the letters to make the words they wanted for one page, and then they could rearrange them for the next page and so on. This was known as movable type and was a great step forward in printing. They made all the alphabets. Suppose they want to write something, they used to settle it all in the right sentence and then print it. And again, for the next line, they used to again rearrange the alphabets. So this is how printing started. The printing office in 1619, see how the printing began. Two people who are famous because of the work they did with printing are Johannes Gutenberg and William Caxton. Look at the fact file for Johannes Gutenberg. Name Johannes Gutenberg, born around 1400, died 1468. Nationality, he was a German from Germany. What he is famous for, invented a method of printing and movable types. In 1445 he produced the printed Gutenberg Bible for the Christians. He started printing it. So the first form of printing was done by wooden blocks. Three men, Gutenberg, Fust, Schoeffer, made single letters out of metal in the '15th century, in the middle of the 15th century. The fill in the blanks I'm saying. Arranging and rearranging the letters to make different words was called movable printing. The movable type. Okay. The printed Gutenberg Bible came out in the year 1445. Okay, this is done. Now answer the following questions. They were covered with ink and pressed onto paper. What was covered with ink and pressed onto paper? The wooden blocks were covered with ink and pressed onto paper. What was this process called? This process was called block printing. Okay, it was called block printing. It was called printing. What this process was a very slow process also. What is the importance of this process? The importance of this process is that printing started. People could read, people could understand, people could communicate. This was known as movable type and was a great step forward in printing. What was known as movable type? The letters they printed out on metal and they could rearrange and write the sentences on off of a page, so that was called movable type. What was used in case of movable type? Metal was used. Who made this printing process? Three people made this printing process. Gutenberg first and Schoffer made single letters out of metal. Okay. How were books made before printing was invented? Books used to be done by block printing and handwriting. Okay. Okay. Understood? Rest you'll do yourself. Circle suitable anonyms for the underlined words. We all had a good laugh. Smile. They had wanted clean shirts for the match. Fresh. They thought looking good would help them win. Play. Cry. We all had a good laugh is cry. They all wanted clean shirts is dirty. They thought looking good would help them to win. Lose. Bob's dad said starch would brighten the colors, would darken the colors. He was mistaken, he was right. Now they couldn't stop laughing, start laughing. The team had the only stiff shirts in the league, the limp shirts in the league. Opposite words. Okay. These you have to do yourself. I'll come back in the next video.